on this point, please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Jaya, 1 second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable no. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, she's given to you. No, you don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing. Nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here and build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? She's a senior member of parliament.
And the senior member of parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Khargeji. Thinking has to be from within. Nothing will happen. We have to get... No, Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Take your seat. No. It is misconduct. It's a misconduct.
And post this ruckus, the opposition walked out from Rajya Sabha. Jaya Bachchan also responded saying this was an insult. It was a humiliating experience. We have Udit Raj joining us on the broadcast now. Udit Raj, we just heard the entire sequence. The chair, they're saying that this has become a habit, that the chair is being targeted every time his tone and tenor is being questioned. He's just trying to maintain decorum and he has the highest regards and respects for her. How do you respond to this?
The Rajya Sabha chairman responsible for it. The way he is acting in partisan manner, that is leading to such a ruckus and chaos in Rajya Sabha. What happened that whatever the speeches are made, then they are relevant, and yet those are spoken by opposition, and false and wrong things spoken by Treasury bench are taken into record. They are not expunged. And secondly, that chairman is a neutral person,
Right.
non-partisan person, but he always becomes a party to Treasury bench. So that forces opposition MPs to express their inquiries.
But Udit
So
Raj,
what has
the chair, VP Dhankar said that this is a misconduct on part of the MP, and that all of this is being done just to create chaos and ruckus.
So Mr. Dhankar himself is creating it. He must act in non-partisan manner. If he acts in partisan manner, definitely ruckus and chaos will happen. An anarchic situation is created by Mr. Dhankar, the way he acts, and he stands up many times. As if so, just wants to show his loyalty to the ruling party.
Okay, although the chair did say that the nation is a priority for him, but the Congress, they're saying that he was acting in a partisan manner. Thank you very much, Mr. Udit Raj, for joining us. Let's also listen into what JP Nadda said about this entire episode unfolding in Rajya Sabha.
सभापति जी, आपसे क्षमा चाहता हूं कि मुझे प्रश्नोत्तर था, इसलिए मैं लोकसभा
Sir, I must appreciate the gesture because I got a written communication of preoccupation of the leader of the house in the House of the People. I got that communication, sir.
तो इस कारण से मैं यहाँ उपस्थित नहीं था, लेकिन जो मैंने आने के बाद देखा यहाँ और जो आपने कहा है, मैं ये कहता हूँ कि जो आपने कहा वो उसके साथ नहीं सिर्फ सत्ताधारी दल बल्कि पूरा देश आपकी बात के साथ खड़ा है। और जिस तरीके का व्यवहार उस तरफ से हुआ है वो बहुत ही अशोभनीय है और वो बहुत ही गैर जिम्मेदाराना है। मुझे बड़े स्पष्ट दिख रहा है कि वह राजनीति में धरातल पर स्तर से इतने नीचे आ गए हैं कि वह पार्टी का विरोध करते करते, व्यक्ति का विरोध करते करते अब देश का विरोध करने लगे और देश में वह विघटनकारी शक्तियां जो देश को खंडित करना चाहती हैं, विभाजित करना चाहती हैं, तकलीफ में डालना चाहती हैं, उनके साथ प्रत्यक्ष और परोक्ष में हमें जब विपक्ष की आवाज दिखती है तो मुझे यह संशय होता है कि वह राष्ट्रीय पार्टियां, वह प्रादेशिक पार्टियां, क्या उनका एजेंडा देश को कमजोर करने का बन गया है। और आज जिस तरीके का जो आपने कहा टॉप ग्रास, वह इस बात को इंगित करता है कि सारी लीडरशिप इस बात से सहमत है कि वह किसी भी कारण से हाउस न चले इसके लिए वो प्रेरित होती है। जो आज का व्यवहार है, मुझे लगता है कि उनको इसके लिए माफी मांगनी चाहिए और सदन की मर्यादा, सदन की गरिमा, जिसके बारे में वो बार बार दोहराई देते रहे हैं यहां बैठ करके, उसको उनको आचरण में लाना चाहिए। वक्त आ गया है आचरण में लाने का। और मैं इतना ही कहूंगा कि इस घटना की जहां मैं निंदा करता हूं वहीं उनको माफी मांगने की बात भी कहता है।
Sides in fact are demanding apology from each other. JP Nadda says Jaya Bachchan should apologize. Jaya Bachchan says it was a humiliating experience, that the chair should apologize. Let me bring in Pragya now. Pragya, another incident involving Jaya Bachchan. Earlier we saw Jaya Bachchan get into a confrontation with Harivansh Narayan Singh, the deputy chair, and then a friendly banter is what we saw between Mr. Dhankar and Jaya Bachchan. But today what happened was completely bizarre. Jaya Bachchan said she was humiliated. She also spoke about how she was a kalakar, a celebrity who understands body language. The allegation is that there's a biased approach when it comes to the opposition. The mics are switched off when the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha is speaking.
So I think this is exactly what the chair commented upon when she said that she is a kalakar and knows the body language. Chair said you may be a celebrity, but you're not a celebrity here. You're just an MP here, and I'm the chair. You know, it all started when Jaya Bachchan stood up and said, that we are colleagues, and I don't like your tone and tenor, Mr. Chairman. And this is when VP said that you need to respect the chair. Opposition leaders have been, and in fact MPs have been allegedly disrespecting the chair, is what Mr. Chairman Dhankar has been reiterating, telling. In fact, yesterday only he left the house and said that I am in a Gandhian way registering my own protest against your unruly behavior in the house. This is exactly what has happened today as well. This is not just one-off incident in the Rajya Sabha, and this is exactly what Mr. Dhankar said when he said that you are addressing a chair. I am not just an MP. I am a chair here. You need to respect it, and there's a dignity that needs to be given to the chair as well. So this all started around that vendor, and this is exactly what Mr. Dhankar had been telling the opposition leaders time and again, that irrespective of your protest, irrespective of your issues, respect the chair, adhere to the laws of the rules of the house. But they are not doing that, is what chair is saying, and this is why Mr. Dhankar is taking them on. And in fact, we have also heard Mr. JP Nadda saying that I strongly condemn the behavior of opposition. They may be protesting against, they may be have opposition against one leader, one party, but while doing so, they have started becoming anti-national as well.
All right. In fact, he also said this has become a habit. This is happening repeatedly. That his tone and tenor is being questioned every single time. Pragya, stay on with us. We have some breaking inputs coming in. In fact, after the opposition walked out.